Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are doing the Year 5 Multiplication and Division End of Unit Assessment. For this video you will be needing a pen and a piece of paper. After each question please pause the video and attempt the question, then press play to see the working out and solution. Let's begin. Question 1. Jamie has 180 cookies. He wants to share them out between his 6 friends. How many does each person get? Now to work this question out, we need to divide 180 by 6. We're going to do our bus stop method. 180 divided by 6. 6 into 1 is 0 times. Carry over the 1. 6 into 18 goes 3 times. 6 into 0 is 0 times. So each person gets 30 cookies. Question 2. A stick is 14 centimetres long. John connects 7 sticks together. How long is John's stick? If John connects the 7 sticks together and each stick is 14 centimetres long, what we're trying to find out is the total length of John's new stick. So what we do is 14 times by 7. 7 times by 4 is 28. 7 times by 1 is 7, plus the 2 is 98. 98 centimetres is our answer. Question 3. Cross out all the numbers which are not multiples of 6. Now the most important word in this question is not. You've got to remember that. 36 is a multiple of 6 because if we do 6 times 6 equals 36, so that's right. Now 56. 56 isn't a multiple of 6. 9 times 6 is 54 and 10 times 6 is 60. And 56 is in between those two numbers, which means that it's not a multiple of 6. Moving on to 22. 22 isn't a multiple of 6 either. If we do 3 times 6, we get 18. And then 4 times 6, which is 24. And 22 is in between those two numbers. That means it's not a multiple of 6. 18 is a multiple of 6 because 3 times 6 equals 18. 6 is a multiple of 6. 1 times 6 equals 6. 41 isn't a multiple of 6. If we do 6 times 6, we get 36. And then if we do 7 times 6, we get 42. And the number 41 is in between those two numbers, which means that it is not a multiple of 6. 60, we can do 6 times 10, which gives us 60. These are the 3 which we should have crossed out. Question 4. A pack of tissues has 36 tissues inside. A box has 24 packs of tissues. How many tissues are there in total? Here is our pack of tissues, and we are told that there are 36 tissues in each pack. In our box, we have 24 packets of tissues. Now we are asked to find the total number of tissues. That means we need to do 36 times by 24 to work out the total. 36 times by 24. 4 times 6 is 24, remembering the 2. 4 times 3 is 12, plus the 2 is 14. Moving on to the digit 2. 2 times 6 is 12, remember the 1. 2 times 3 is 6, remembering the 1 is 7. Add it all together. 4 plus 0 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 1 plus 7 is 8. In total, there are 864 tissues. Question 5. 353 divided by 4. To work this out, we are going to be using the bus stop method. 353 divided by 4. 4 into 3 goes 0 times, carry over the 3. 4 into 35 goes, yes, that's right, 8 times, carry over the 3. 4 goes into 33, 8 times, remainder 1. Going to put in our decimal place and a 0 with our 1. Remembering our decimal place here. 4 into 10 goes 2 times, remainder 2. 4 into 20 goes 5 times. Our answer is 88.25. Question 6. Mandy buys a car for £1,250. Claire buys a car which costs 8 times more than Mandy's. How much more did Claire pay? What we're going to do first is work out how much Claire's car cost. And to do that, we will do 1,250 times by 8. 8 times 0 is 0. 8 times 5 is 40. 8 times 2 is 16, plus 4 is 20. 8 times 1 is 8, plus 2 is 10. Claire's car costs £10,000. Now we need to work out how much more Claire paid. So what we're going to do is to take those two numbers away. 10,000 minus 1,250. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 5, we can't do that. We're going to go over to the 1, cross it out, making it a 0. Carry over the 1. We're going to minus 1, making it a 9. Carry over the 1. Minus in another 1, making it a 9. Carry over the 1. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 2 is 7. 9 minus 1 is 8. Claire paid £8,750 more than Mandy. Question 7. Fill in the missing numbers. So for the first one, we have 752 times by something gives us 7,520. What we're going to do is do 7,520 divided by 752. And we can see that if we times it by 10, we get 7,520. Because when we times by 10, we're adding on a 0. So that's correct. Now for the second one, 684 divided by something gives us 342. What we need to do is 684 divided by 342. Now, if we look at these two numbers, we can see that when we've divided 684 by 2, we've gotten 342. So our answer here would be 2. Now for the last one, 38 times by 5. We're going to be using a column method for this. 38 times by 5. 5 times 8 is 40. 5 times 3 is 15, plus the 4 is 19. 190. In your boxes, you should have 10, 2 and 190. Question 8. Jack thinks of a double-digit prime number. He adds 5 to it, then he multiplies it by 3. His answer is 48. What was Jack's number? This is Jack's number. He adds 5 to it, then he times all of it by 3. And his answer is 48. So whatever Jack did, we need to do the opposite of. If he times by 3, we're going to divide by 3. If he added 5, we're going to take away 5. So 48 divided by 3. 3 into 4 goes once with a remainder of 1. 3 into 18 goes 6 times. So we've got 16. Now we're going to minus 5. 16 minus 5 equals 11. Jack's number is 11. And just to check, is 11 a prime number? Yes, it is. So 11 is the correct answer. Question 9. 648 times by 21. Now to work this out, we need to use the column method. 648 times by 21. 1 times 8 is 8. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times by 6 is 6. Now moving on to the 2 in the tens column. Put a 0 in the digit space. 2 times by 8 is 16. Write the 6 down and remember the 1. 2 times by 4 is 8. Add that 1 is 9. 2 times by 6 is 12. Now add these all together. 8 plus 0 is 8. 4 plus 6 is 10. 6 plus 9 is 15. Plus this 1 is 16. Nothing plus 2 is 2. Plus the 1 is 3. Nothing plus 1 is 1. Our answer is 13,608. Question 10. This is our last question. Fill in the missing numbers on the multiplication pyramid. When we have one of these pyramids, the bottom two numbers, if we times them together, we get the answer for this box here. If we times these two numbers together, we get our answer for this box. And if we times these two boxes together, we get our answer for this box. So we're going to start off by finding out the answer to this box. 8 times 4 is 32. 32. 4 times 3 is 12. And 12 in this box. Now for this one, we're going to times 32 and 12 together. 32 times by 12. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6. Put in our 0. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 3 is 3. Add it all together. 4 plus 0 is 4. 6 plus 2 is 8. 0 plus 3 is 3. 384. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has helped you. Please like, share and subscribe for more maths videos. Click the bell button below to receive notifications on when I post new videos. Also, please comment down below on what videos I should make next. Bye!